Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to deactivate Messenger account in 2025. If you're using Messenger and now you want to deactivate your Messenger account, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your Messenger app, and here just go to menu icon in the right bottom corner. Just tap on it, and here you have to select the settings. Just scroll down and look for see more in account center. Just tap on it and it will open in your Facebook. If you want to deactivate your Messenger account, so you have to deactivate your whole Facebook account. So let's see how you can do this. You have to open personal details. Here select deactivation or deletion of your account. Here's the account ownership and control. Tap on it. Then select deactivation and deletion. Here you have to select your Facebook account, and then you will look at two options, which is deactivate account and delete account. If you want to deactivate your account temporarily, you have to select the first one, but if you want to delete your account permanently, you have to select the second one. But I'm going to deactivate my account. Just tap on it, then select continue, and after that your account will be deactivated. So that's how you can easily deactivate your Messenger account in 2025. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.